The Mehak Bukhari murder case, trial day 48. From Leicester Crown Court. Some viewers may find scenes that are distressing. Viewer discretion is advised. True crime and breaking news. The best 1 minute and under news channel on TikTok. Jurors in TikTok murder trials decide the real reasons for Mehak Bukhari's multiple admitted lies, the court heard yesterday, Tuesday, July 11th. Judge Timothy Spencer KC called on members of the jury to carefully look over the evidence they have heard in the case of the fatal incident. On the A46 in Leicestershire, Judge Spencer made the comments at Leicester Crown Court as he summed up evidence from TikTok influencer Mehak Bukhari. At various points through her evidence, Bukhari admitted to lying to both police and the jury at the previous trial. These lies concerned the events on the A46 in February last year and her subsequent arrest, which saw her give over a wrong PIN code for her phone. She claimed the reasons for her false statements and wrong code was due to panicking and being stressed. Judge Spencer called on the jury to consider these lies closely. He told jurors, "You will have to consider if this is a fundamental part of the case, her panicking, or if this shows she was obstructing the police." Yesterday's hearing also looked over the cross-examination of Mehak from earlier in the trial by the prosecution. The social media influencer was quizzed about when she was aware of her mother, Ansreen's adulterous relationship with Saqib, something she claimed to be only aware of in December 2021. However, it was claimed by the prosecution that she was aware months earlier in May 2021 when she, Ansreen, and their cousins attended a party in Banbury, Oxfordshire, where Saqib and Ansreen were visibly very close. He also reportedly tried to kiss Ansreen whilst they were there. With Mehak allegedly in the know about the pair's relationship, this discrepancy was another point Judge Spencer said the jury needed to consider on whether it could believe Mehak's account of events. Throughout her evidence, she insisted that the incident which killed Saqib and his passenger Mr. Ajizuddin was a tragic accident, and that they were not rammed off the road in return for Saqib's blackmail plot against the Bukhari family. The jury were urged to look over the evidence to see if they agreed with her assessment. The summing up by Timothy Spencer KC began a week ago on Wednesday, July 5th. Once it is finished, the jury will be sent out to consider its verdicts. There are 2 allegations of murder each against the 8 defendants, as well as 2 alternative counts of manslaughter. Defendants Rikan Karwan and Raiz Jamal also face further counts of causing death by dangerous driving. Last week, Judge Spencer warned the jury the full events of what happened on the A46 at 6 Hills in February last year will never be known. Throughout, the prosecution has alleged that influencer Mehak, her mother Ansreen, and 6 others killed Saqib Hussain and Hashim Ajizuddin. After Saqib, the ex-lover of Ansreen Bukhari, threatened to send explicit images and videos to Ansreen's husband after she ended their 3-year affair. The defense argues that the deaths of the 2 men was an accident, but Judge Spencer called on the jury to consider how realistic the threat of the explicit images leak to Ansreen was. The 8 defendants are Natasha Akhtar, 22 of Alum Rock Road, Birmingham, Ansreen Bukhari, 45 of George Eardley Close, Stoke, Mehak Bukhari, 23 of George Eardley Close, Stoke, Raiz Jamal, 22 of Lingdale Close, Loughborough, Rikan Karwan, 28 of Tomlin Road, Leicester, Mohammed Patel, 21 of Braybrook Road, Leicester, Sanafgula Mustafa, 22, Littlemore Close, Crown Hills, Leicester, and Amir Jamal, 27 of Catherine Street, Belgrave, Leicester, all deny murder. The case will continue today and the rest of the week. As always, we hope you can continue to join us until the verdicts. We thank you for supporting us. The transcript of the case is next, and you can read, as always, what happened in court today. The court has been adjourned for today. We will now be back tomorrow. Please join us then.
Thanks for watching our channel. Please share.
Live reporting.